What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do this sleek, beautiful yaki style for you. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boo. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have another unit that is one of my fave. It's the yaki. The yaki is always going to be my fave. I just love the texture. Okay, today's hair is by UNice, and enough said. Okay, I have worked with them so many times, and that is because they have really great hair, and I love this company and their product. Y'all already know, if it's not good hair, it's not gonna make it on hair. The unit I have on is a 13x4. It is pre-everything, pre-cut, pre-bleach, and best of all, it has a fake scalp system in here, so there's no need for a bald cap. There's no need for all the extra steps. Like, it's built into the unit and she's just ready to go. You put her on and she's good to go. She also came with two little tabs on the side, so if you wanted to, you do not have to stick this down. Okay, you can just, you know, stick down the sides, and that is something that I love about like full units, especially when the lace is HD. Yes, this lace is HD, meaning she is going to give you the best melt. She's going to be very, very seamless. Like, once you put her on, it's basically just going to disappear into your skin, and that's even without melting it. It's like one of the most forgiving laces out there. So this is that particular lace today. So yes, she's kinky straight, and she's 24 inches. Love this hair. Now, I did go in and I put some curls in her, but if you know yaki hair, the curls are not going to be like really tight. It's going to be more so loose body, bombshell type of vibe, like effortless curls type of thing. This hair is so fluffy and airy. That is one of the things that I noticed about this particular texture, or this particular unit, is the hair is so soft. It is fluffy. It feels like it has been deep conditioned for days on end. It is so soft and so pretty. Like, I just love her. She's so full at the same time. A lot of action, a lot of body. Look at her. Look at all the body. I need to stop messing with it. I really like this. I can't stop touching this. This is so good. Now, I didn't cut the hair. I just left it as is. So if you want the curls to be like va va voom, you're gonna have to go in and do some layers. But as for me, I like this. Like, I like the long, loose, you know, effortless body, you know, bombshell type of vibe. Like, that's what it's giving. It's really pretty. Y'all already know UNice. They have some really, really great hair. So without further ado, make sure you check them out in the description box. If for anything I'm forgetting to say, it will pop up on the screen somewhere. It's probably already been up there. So make sure you check them out, and let's get right on in to the video.
Wanna chill and twist the lie, catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, hey, it's easy to love me now. Hey, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Oh, now, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sentenced to a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hoopty from a Benz, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I get out and peel a brother cap, chill and dry. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap cause I flip burgers at Burger King, would you be ashamed to tell your friends you're feeling me? In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a love letter, would you write back? Now we could have a little drink, you know, a nightcap, and we could go do what you like. I know you like that. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Oh, now, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Woo, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Now would you leave me if your father found out I was thugging? Do you believe me when I tell you you the one I'm loving? Are you mad cause I'm asking you 21 questions? Are you my soulmate? Cause if so, girl, you a blessing. Do you trust me enough to tell me your dreams? I'm staring at you trying to figure how you got in them jeans. If I was down, would you say things to make me smile? I treat you how you wanna be treated, just teach me how. If I was with some other chick and someone happened to see, and when you asked me about it, I said it wasn't me, would you believe me or up and leave me? How deep is our bond if that's all it takes for you to be gone? We only humans, girl, we make mistakes to make it up, I do whatever it takes. I love you like a fat kid love cake. You know my style, I say anything to make you smile. Girl, hey, it's easy to love me now. Oh no, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Oh, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? Could you love me in a Bentley? Could you love me on a bus? I'll ask 21 questions, and they all about us. Could you love me in a Bentley? Could you love me on a bus? I'll ask 21 questions, and they all about us.
Yeah, so that's basically all I did to this. Really, really nice. And if you want the curls to last even longer, I would suggest that you go in with your bendy rollers and leave it overnight. Like really drench the hair, really saturate the hair, wet it down. Because whenever it comes to yaki textures and I want it to really last, I'm going to go in with my bendy rollers and just leave it overnight or put it under my hot bonnet dryer. And you're going to have some really beautiful tight curls. Needless to say, I love this. It also has the drawstring in the back. I forgot to say that in the beginning, and that is one of the new favorites, features of mine that I love that they're putting into these units. Like, it is just, it's top tier. That drawstring is a game changer. I'm telling you, it's just so good. I genuinely love this. She is light. She is airy, she is beautiful, and she's that yaki texture, like, and with the real scalp built in, like, you don't have to put any concealer, you don't have to do anything, just put her on and she's good to go. Like, that is also a game changer. I love how they're doing that. Make sure you check them out. Everything will be linked down below. 10 out of 10, I do recommend. You guys already know if it's not good hair, it is not going to make it on my channel, because why waste time, okay? UNice has some really nice hair, no pun intended. Like, they have some really great quality hair. Anyways, make sure you check them out. Everything will be linked down below for you. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, Snapchat. I'm trying to get back into all of that good stuff. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out. Share the video because sharing is caring. Share the video. Don't be stingy, y'all. Share the video, okay? You can't be the only one looking good and your friend's not looking good too. You got to share the video. You got to share the love. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, all of that good stuff. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really soon. Ooh.